Okay, today I'm going to do an unboxing. I have two items here that I got that I'd like to show you as I show myself. The first one, it's Heavenly Bodies. Heavenly Bodies Astrology. The deck and a guidebook. Now, this is going to be interesting because I'm not really an astrologer. However, I just had a fabulous reading by an astrologer, Cosmic Valentine. So you might want to follow her channel. Okay, these, I love the pastels when I'm reading cards, so I'm excited because these are beautiful colors. And I've heard that the Heavenly Bodies, Lily Ashwell, that she's very good. So I'm excited. Just want to get into it without ruining it. And I am working on my travel wrap tarot bags. Don't know quite what to call them, so if anyone has a good name for them, let me know. Oh, look at this sweet box. Hope you can see it well. It says, heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. Lily Ashwell, Heavenly Bodies Astrology. Oh, and it's an actual hardbound book. That's probably why it was pretty expensive. But it looks like it's going to be worth it. Very sweet. I love it when the cards come in a box, not a little flimsy cardboard thing. Ooh. Very sweet. The ribbon, the packaging, and even on the bottom of the deck, there's a message. I live my life in growing orbits which move over the things of this world. Perhaps I can never achieve the last, but that will be my attempt. I am circling around God, around the ancient tower, and I have been circling for 1,000 years. And I still don't know if I am a falcon or a storm or a great song. And under that it says, Rainer Maria Rilke, R-I-L-K-E, 1899. Wow. Okay, so then it has the nice top of the box. Well, I'm going to invoke the angels so we can go ahead and see which one to choose for a little mini reading today. Oh, my goodness. Even inside the box, it says, to see a world in a grain of sand and a heaven in a wildflower, to hold infinity in the palm of your hand and eternity in an hour. By William Blake, 1803. Can you believe that? That's the inside of the box. This is altogether lovely. Okay, and the ribbon so you can get the cards out easily. Actually, I think I will, though, do a little mini pull of a card before I do my other unboxing. Okay. They're light blue. Ooh, that's pretty. That's the back of the cards. Okay. Let's see what we get here. Oh, first, I ask for the spirit of light and love's protection. I pray to invoke our guides divine. I want to invoke the good angels today for healing energy for our group. Please tell us what we need to hear. And whenever you hear this, it is for you. Heal us with your light of love. Help us spread all that is good for us and the world. Together we say amen. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to shuffle 3 times. They're not too large. I have big hands, but some of the decks are just too difficult to just do a straight shuffle. Yes, I play the piano, so piano player hands. Okay, here we go. See what the angels have to say to us today. Mars, move forward and defend yourself. That's interesting because I was listening to an astrologer today and she was saying that's what I should do as a Libra. I'm a Libra with Moon in Libra and Leo rising. And my astrologer just said Neptune, that I have Libra and Neptune as well. Let me give us another card before the next unboxing. Okay, what do we need to know? What do the angels want to tell us today? Oh, it's separated right there. Seem to want me to pull this card. Okay. Aries, independent bravery and passion. Aries. These cards are lovely. It's sort of like a muted purples, pinks, and blues, which I love. Okay. Oh, and also, please leave any comments if you're interested in laying down cards on a nice surface where they don't slip, because I love making these crocheted mats. If you want one, I will make one for you. Okay, the unboxing of the next. Now this one is by Michael Dyer, D-Y-E-R. He has a channel. Michael, D-Y-E-R. I believe it's called, now I'm embarrassed. I believe he calls it Authentic Connection. That's what it seems to say here. Yes. I just heard that he was good and that he had these cards, so I ordered them on Etsy. And they're mini cards, perfect for traveling. And I wanted to get something to help people with their relationships, because when I go live, I just need a few subscribers more and I can go live. I think I only need like 14 people to subscribe, so if you're so inclined, please help me out there and subscribe. See, now this one would be good for the pouches I'm making, and I can make the pouches any size, so you can let me know if you need a different odd size. This is the bad thing about these boxes, is when you try to open them, it ruins the box sometimes. And I think this one is gonna mess up the box. Let's see. Oh, okay. Right. Authentic Connection. That's what the box says also. So hopefully that is his YouTube channel name, but otherwise I'd put in Michael D-Y-E-R Tarot. Now, as you can see, that's a lot of cards. It has no book, so I'm just gonna pull one. If anyone has any relationship question, why don't you think about it as I'm mixing these up. Sometimes things are a little too small to shuffle. We'll see. See how my hands work. Okay. I'm just doing it in 2 parts, and then I'll cut them. Whoop. Those are slippery. They seem to be a very good quality cardstock. I love the color purple. Very spiritual. I'm just doing each of these sides 3 times. Because 3, maybe it's because I was born on the 3rd, but I always thought it was good to shuffle them 3 times. Then cut them into 3 different piles. Okay. Take from the middle pile. It says, what would you do if you saw your mate dirty dancing with a sexy person at a party? Okay. Scream, maybe? I honestly don't know if these are for real or not, but it seems like they were explained as being very authentic. That one sort of surprised me. Oh, I see. These must be cards for players to play together, for 2 people in a relationship to play together. It says, which would you rather date, an alpha or a beta, male or female? Explain. So these could be used in a group, a party setting, or anything where you want to make they're like icebreakers to help people know each other, it sounds like. This says, you are colonizing a new planet. Pick a team of 5 people and 5 things needed to survive. Who, what, and why. So I would say these are more like a game rather than predicting something for your future love, that kind of thing. And I do have an angel deck for that, which I really love. I showed the other day, but I didn't show it really well. So when I do my predictions on love, I'll be using that other deck. Not that I don't like this, but maybe I'm too old to play these games. How would someone know that they are very special to you? Give examples. Now that's very serious, nice. I guess I'm more serious than playful when it comes to talking about love and connections. The Libra in me comes out, and not that I can't laugh at myself, I can, but yeah, these are more for games at a party, possibly, or a 2-person party. It could be that. Okay, well, I just really have a feeling to pull another card, one from my Buddha deck, which I'm just insanely in love with the artwork. So beautiful. Okay, mix these up. I'm continually mixing them up and looking at the artwork. I feel like just framing them around the room. Okay, let's cut those into 3 and pick the middle. Okay. However, this isn't just sticking out at me. So happy, the colors. I think I'll read that one too. But this one, oh, look at the colors on that. The fish, the flower, like a whirlpool. Okay, it's called karma. The more you practice karma, the more you will discover that you are the master of your own fortune and the creator of your own destiny. That's by Sofan. In its simplest form, karma implies cause and effect. karma can give you the courage to look deeper into your past actions and take full responsibility for life as it is unfolding, knowing that you planted the karmic seed in the past. Flowers or weeds, fortunate or unfortunate, they are all there with you. It's a contemplation card. I hope that speaks to you. It certainly speaks to me because I've been thinking a lot about how we have a life review when we pass over. And, you know, I think about things that, not exactly regrets, but because I know I did the best I could at the time, but there are certain things I did in relationships that I feel I could have done a lot better if I were smarter at that time, or wiser, or more evolved. So, yeah, we have to think about our actions and how other people feel, and not just think about our own feelings. I suppose we can all work on that. Now, this one that was calling out to me with its yellow color, generosity. A true spiritual life is not possible without a generous heart. When you act in the true spirit of generosity with no expectations, your heart expands outwardly as a consequence of the compassion and loving kindness to be found within. Beautiful card. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day today. And I hope your Valentine's Day was good. And that you didn't have expectations that weren't met. As my son says, love is having no expectations. I have a lot to learn from my wise son. So, have a beautiful day. I will see you next time.